Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove columns and rows. Let's get started. One simple way to add a column between columns C and D is to right-click on column D and select Insert. That will insert a column to the left of your originally selected column. The same can be done with rows. So if I highlight row 5, right-click and select Insert, it'll insert a brand new row above my selected row. One easy way to add additional rows or columns is to press F4 on your keyboard to repeat your previous action. You can do this as many times as needed. You can also select Ctrl Y on the keyboard to perform this action. Now let's discuss how you can add multiple rows or columns at once. Let's say that I want to add 3 columns to my spreadsheet. I can highlight 3 columns, right-click, and select Insert. And that'll add 3 blank columns to the left of my selected columns. The same can be done with rows. If I highlight 3 rows, for example, right-click, and select Insert, 3 blank rows will be inserted. In a situation where you want to add non-adjacent rows or columns to your spreadsheet, you can do so by holding down the Control key and clicking the column or row headers. For example, if I want to add a column to the left of column B and to the left of column E, I can select column B, hold down the Control key, and select column E. Then when I right-click and select Insert, I have 2 new columns in my selected location. Finally, let's talk about how you can easily delete rows or columns from your data. One simple way is to click the column header, right-click, and select Delete, and that'll remove the column from your data. If you want to delete multiple rows, you can highlight each of the rows you want to delete. Right-click and select Delete, and the same can be done for columns as well. As a final pro tip, let's take a look at the keyboard shortcut for deleting rows or columns. So if I highlight column B and select Ctrl- on the keyboard, the column is deleted. The same thing can be done for rows. I'll highlight a couple of rows here, select Ctrl- on the keyboard, and those rows are gone. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.